Welcome back to Poppy's workshop. This is Poppy's last vicious stab at accumulating the filthy lucre, part 2. In part 1, I showed you the prototype, well, the raw idea, the first prototype, and the green laser that I was playing with. I showed you my nice little aperture. Well, today we have this other nice little red laser. It's supposed to be focusable. It seems to be pretty dot-like there. Now I take my aperture, almost exactly the right diameter, and again I've got a reduction in dot size along with a major reduction in power. Not enough reduction in dot size, though. I am coming to the conclusion that so far the $45 I've spent on lasers isn't totally wasted, because I got a nice bore sighter from my pellet gun. I've got that green laser. I'm gonna Anyway, I got the green laser. I'm thinking on how I can convert it into a very bright green flashlight. I've got the reflector out of a little halogen light. I got to remove from right here along this line. And then I can put it on the green laser and it'll work as a little bit better reflector. To that reflect or refract? Anyway, spread that green beam out. My purple blue laser hasn't shown up yet. Yeah. Okay, the situation is this. My concept is good. My hardware is limited to what I can buy. Although I'm absolutely certain that between putting the right little lens in here and the right little focus and perhaps an aperture, the 1,000th of an inch diameter red dot from 12 inches, I know it's achievable. Oh, by the way, this laser here cost $10. Nice. It's called a red dot. It's a positioning laser. Anyway, this is the Yeah, here it is. There it is. This is the bracketry. It came with it. This fits in nicely. The 2 screws. 2 ball and socket joints. Practically infinite adjustability. Not bad for $10. Okay. Power supply. Bracketry. $10. Not bad at all, is it? And I've been thinking about my compound slide. Logically, from trigonometry, if I go to like 87 degrees, somewhere in the vicinity of 87 degrees, I can half that, move in 1/10 of as much as you push it this way to move in a 20th of how much you push it this way. Although this is getting asinine, you know. We're getting down to the point where 1 degree off of the center line of the part. Although, on my compound slide, I got a perfectly placed bolt location where I can and put a bracket to mount a little dial indicator. But I'd need one to read to 1/2 tenths, to 50 millionths. Maybe be able to get a 1/4 inch of travel. But considering I'm trying to control sub 10,000ths of an inch, when I've already rough machined down, I just want to peel the outer layer of plastic coating off of this, taking 5 passes. And not touch this anodizing. Someone must make a dial indicator with about a 1/4 inch travel. It'll read to that tight. Yeah. Anyway, I got to do some research. I'm going to go now.